Okay, so let's start off with the first part. Alright, let's just start off with the first two stuff. Alright, the positive numbers and the positive and negative numbers of your binary stuffs. Okay, so how do we start? So let's just start off with the unsigned integer. So please take note, the unsigned integer itself signifies positive numbers or adding only. Okay, so what do I mean and how do I start? So in order to start, I'll just start off with something that is familiar to you. So imagine I have a 55 plus 67. Alright, 5 plus 7 is what? 2. I mean 12, right? So I'll put 2 over here and I bring the 1 over here. Correct? So 5 times 6 is 30. Great. I'm adding, okay? Sorry. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Alright, so the 2 I put it here, the 1 I put it here. Then 5 plus 6, okay, should be plus. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus this 1 over here, I have 1, 2, 2. Alright, so in the normal math that we will be doing is something like this. I'm going to tap on this understanding into the binary stuff, okay, of about the bringing the 1 forward to the other side. Alright, so how do I start? If I have a binary that is coming like this, how do I add them out? Alright, so this is more on a binary additions in binary or whatever it is. Alright, so over here, if you still remember, this is 2 to the power of 3, alright, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 1, and 2 to the power of 0. Alright, so 2 to the power of 3 is what? Is 8. So 8 plus 2 to the power of 1 is actually 2. Alright, plus 2 to the power of 0 is actually 1. Alright, so in the end, this thing over here is actually equals to 11. 11 plus what? Alright, this thing over here is 8. Alright, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Alright, this is 0. And then 2 to the power of 0 is 1. So 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 13, right? So I'll just put it as over here. Clearly, you know that it's 24. Alright, so after I do this, I should get 24 also. Alright, so therefore let's start. And we're going to go by these 3 rules. Alright, if 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, 1 plus 1 is equals to 1, 0. So the 0 will carry the 1 forward. Alright, so what it means is that, for example, I have 1, 1 in this case. Alright, then it becomes 0 and a 1 over here. Okay, which is similar to this thing lah. Okay, so 5 plus 7, 2, then you will have a outstanding 1 over here, right? Same thing. So over here is the rule. Alright, so 1 plus 1, alright, is equals to 0, because 1 and 1 cancel each other, but in some sense the 1 of it carry forward. But anyway, usually you know that 1 plus 1 is equals to like this. Alright, this is the method of doing things. Alright, so 1 plus 1 again, you have 0. Okay, and you bring forward this one. Alright, because this is 1, so 1 plus 1 is still 0, and you carry a 1 forward. Alright, so over here still 1 plus 1, then what do you have? You have 0 again, and you carry forward this 1. So 1 plus 1, this is 0, plus 1, alright, so 1 plus 1 is 0, plus 1, then over here you have 1, but you still need to carry forward 1 also. Or in other words, 1 plus 1 is 0, okay, and then you carry forward 1, but however over here still have a 1 over here, so you're gonna bring it to this side. Alright, so therefore you have like this. Alright, 1, 1. I hope you kind of get what I mean. I should add in one more description, is that 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 1. Carry forward another 1. Okay, you can follow this rule, alright, or you can understand by the meaning that I've just said. Alright, so 1 plus 1 is equals to 0, and you carry forward 1. However, there is one more 1 over here, so you're going to bring it down here. Alright, that's pretty much there. So I'm gonna disassemble this one. So this one is 2 to the power of 4. This is 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 1, and 2 to the power of 0, right? So 2 to the power of 4 is what? Is 16. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Actually, this is all 0, sorry. So all of them are 0. So 16 plus 8 is equals to 24. So it's the same as this one. Ta-da! Alright. Okay. So what about this thing? This is another level, okay? So 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is still 0, 1 plus 1, this is 1, this is 0, so 1 plus 1 is equals to 0, you carry forward 1 over here, so 1 plus 1 over here is 0, and therefore you carry forward the 1 over here. So this is like this, 1 0 0 0 0. You'll get 133 lah if you were to dissect this thing. Alright, if you were to write in terms of 2 to the power of this 7, I think, or 2 to the power of 8, sorry, this 2 to the power of 7, whatever. Alright, but anyway, you can calculate, you should get the same answer as this one. Alright, so let's do another one. The last one, okay, for the unsigned integer. Okay, so far what I've been doing is still unsigned integer. Okay, so unsigned integer is only simply positive numbers and by addings only. Okay, so let's just continue with this thing. Okay, so this is another level. So 1 plus 1 is equals to what? Is equals to 0. You carry forward 1. Correct? This is as this definitions over here. So you need to know and be familiarized with the thing. And then over here is 1 plus 1, it's 0. But however, it's 1 plus 1 plus 1, as you can see. So you need to have 1 over here, and then you carry forward another 1 over here. Okay? Or in other words, 1 plus 1 is 0, and then you carry forward 1. But this one over here, you're going to bring it down. I think you get what I mean. So I've put it over here, and this is 1. Okay? So therefore, this thing over here is still 1. Carry forward another 1. Over here, this is because 1 plus 1 plus 1 again. So I have 1 over here, I carry forward another 1. Okay? And then you get 30. Alright, which is not the same thing as what we have said, right? So for example, if you still remember just now we said that 1 plus 1 is equals to 0, you carry forward 1, and then 1 plus 1 plus 1, you have 1. As we say, you have 1 is equals to 1, carry forward another 1. So we keep on carry forward until here. Alright, so this rule has its limitation. Alright, because over at this side, this is a special case. Alright, if it's all ones, then you're gonna have 1 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, because this is 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 0. So 2 to the power of 5 is actually exactly 32. Okay, so this is something that you also need to know. But in case that you normally, if in the test they call you to evaluate any type of summing binary, first step you just write it down in terms of a number, you find the answer, and then you use the answer to change it back to binary. Alright, it's like a cheat code. So at least you will not know, you wouldn't have any wrong, because over here this is a special case, right? We do by the rule, but it don't give us the answer. Okay, so this is something that we need to so-called think about it. Alright, and because nonetheless there is a restriction for this 4-bit and this 4-bit, the maximum it can go, right, for only this is actually 1 1 1 1 1. Alright, because if it happens that this is 0, if you were to do it out, you should get this thing over here, which is equals to 31. Alright, so in order to go to 32, you need another bit over here. You need one more bit over here, while the rest becomes 0. Okay, because if you were to calculate, for example, 1 plus 0 it's 1, and then 1 plus 1 it's 1, you carry forward. So over here you carry forward 1, right, and then you carry forward all the way, you have 1 1 1 1 1. This is equals to 31. You can just try it out. This is 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 1, 0. Alright, actually this is 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of, is it? Yeah, this is this one. Okay, so you can just evaluate on yourself, and you'll get equals to 31. Alright, so the maximum for all this 5-bit, alright, at first we will have 4-bit only, as you can see. Now we actually extend to 5-bit now. Okay, and therefore the maximum 5-bit is actually 31 only. You cannot reach this number. So therefore you need to have a certain understanding of this cheat code. Alright, so this is only for the first part, our unsigned integer. Alright, and I didn't realize it's gonna take so much time, so I shall see you in the next video for the signed integer. okay, because I don't want to crop everything together at once. Alright, so see you there.